Hey everyone, welcome back to another video.
Today we're going to tackle a common issue that can happen with older motorcycles: locked up front brake calipers. If you are experiencing a stiff brake lever, poor braking performance, or your front wheel feels like it's dragging, it's time to check those calipers. Let's dive right in. Assuming that you removed the calipers from the motorcycle, the first step is to inspect and clean the caliper. With the caliper removed, inspect the brake pads and the pistons. If the pads are worn down, now it's a good time to replace them. For locked up calipers, the pistons are often the culprit. They can seize up due to dirt, corrosion, or old brake fluid. If they don't move easily, try applying some brake fluid or penetrating oil around the edges of the piston to help loosen them up. I used the fingertip of a rubber hand glove for this. Work the pistons back and forth a few times until they move smoothly. This should help free them up and allow the proper brake function. Now gently remove the seals as shown here. The inside of the caliper can be cleaned by applying brake cleaner and using a scouring pad. Make sure not to leave any residue in the notches where the seals are placed, as this is critical. If it's not completely cleaned, there is risk that it will leak brake fluid through the seals. The seal rubbers are in such a bad state that we will replace them. You can buy a kit like this suitable for your type of caliper. There are usually two types of seals, a thick one and a smaller dust seal. The thick one is placed in the back of the caliper, while the smaller one is placed in the front. Apply some brake fluid to the caliper and the piston before pushing them in. Don't forget to fit the two O-rings. Now it's time to put the two caliper parts back together. Apply some grease to the braking pads before installing them. Push the through rods through the caliper and through the spring. The springs are there to hold the braking pads on their place. As a last step, we place the protector and our calipers are ready to be mounted on the bike. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, consider subscribing to the channel for more future videos and have a nice ride.